Hi everybody. Today I'm so excited because I have a whole new product to show you that I've been wanting to make for a long time and I just didn't have the time. It's meal planning and grocery list. It's very simple, but it's very, very nice, and I think it'll add nicely to your paper templates if you grocery shop. So let's get into it. First of all, this is what it looks like. This is the cover page. You're gonna go, the next page will be instructions, and you'll see that I've made 3 different templates. I've made a menu only template, a menu grocery and notes template, and a menu and grocery template. I'll show you in a minute, but all these are hyperlinked, so you can just jump to each one because each variation has one start for every day of the week. So Sunday through Saturday start, because everybody grocery shops on a different day, or starts their meal planning on a different day, like ours is a Friday. So I just wanted to make sure that you are aware of that. So you have 1 for every day of the week. And then we have links for the grocery list. So let's get into it. The first one is menu only. And it's literally just that. So it goes Sunday through Saturday. It's very simple. The next one is menu, grocery, and notes. So you have like a little smaller menu area, but then up top you have a spot for notes and then a spot for groceries. So if you, don't need like a full grocery list, you just want to write little things here, you can. And then the next one is just menu and grocery list. So again, a little narrower menu and then a long line for groceries, if you like that. Now we're going to go to the grocery list. So there's 3 versions of a grocery list. So you have like just a very neutral light gray, and then you have a brighter colored one, and then you have a blank one. Now, let's look at this one. I just want to, in case you're like, what? So, I have a family. We do a lot of grocery shopping. So this is something that I would use because we have a lot. And you can see I added a longer column for pantry because that's the most of where I shop, and then most dairy. So you have a spot for errands, health and beauty, paper products, pantry, baking, bakery, snacks and beverages, dairy, frozen, meat, and produce. And then there's a date. But I want to show you something really, really cool with the menu and the grocery list. Obviously, I made this for GoodNotes and digital, but you can also print it. So that's the menu. And then I printed a grocery list. Don't look at that. My printer is running low on toner. So it prints beautifully as well. So, I like to try to keep everything digital and just save paper, but if you want to print it out, you can. All right. And then I also have a dark mode. So I made a dark mode version of the menu and grocery list. It will be sold separately, and you can see what that looks like. So yeah, I just thought, I know I have a big dark mode group of people, and I like dark mode myself. So there you go. So there you have it. That is the new meal planning grocery list. One last thing, I am going to be making some videos because with the new, let's go here, with the new link feature in GoodNotes, I'm starting to link my menus to recipes. So I'm like, here, I'll just show you. So for example, like I typed in potato salad and then I added a link and asked if I want to open it. I do. And now it's going to take me to Pinterest where I have that link. And now there's the recipe. So that's just super, super handy, in case you don't have the recipe off the top of your head. All right, so follow me on TikTok if you are on TikTok, because I'm going to be doing more things about the menu and grocery list to show different ways to use it. Anyway, I hope you love it. I hope you love it as much as I do. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.